My name is Matt Ruth. I'm owner-operator at DC's Pizza and Catering. We also operate the Big Blue Bus, our food truck down here on the plaza. People sometimes ask me, why the Big Blue Bus? Well, blue promotes hunger, makes people hungry. I got into the pizza business because it's different every day, and it's my favorite food. I got started in 1989 working for my uncles. I eventually bought the business from them. I try to maintain a consistent, good product, delicious product. We offer pizza and wings, of course. We do subs, salads, dinners. We do a lot of catering, parties big and small. You can find us at 1182 Western Ave. We deliver. We're also available for curbside pickup. Just give us a call. You could also go online at dcspizza.com, and that's actually where we offer most of our discounts. Come check us out on the Big Blue Bus down on the plaza. Then you'll know why our slogan is, have you had a good piece lately?